Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back once again in this beautiful morning. So, as you can see, I'm in the paddy field and I'm just trying to making this as kind of video which will help you to improve your spoken English. So in this today's lesson, you are gonna learn how to practice your spoken English without any partner that I'm going to share with you, okay? So you can see I'm in the paddy field and I'm just trying to show you the beautiful foggy morning. So as you can see, this is the time of spring or summer season, but still now we can see the foggy morning, which will really very fantastic, which will very interesting that I am enjoying. So this is a great proverb in English: early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy and wealthy. This is a great proverb in English, but I'm just trying to enjoy myself in this beautiful foggy morning. This is a great chance that I have got, okay? And I'm just enjoying this foggy morning, and I'm just walking on barefoot, which will really good for our sound body and minds. So that's why I'm just walking in this beautiful morning, and I'm just enjoying this fresh morning air. And in this way we can develop our sound body and mind. So as you can see, the sun is rising, right? So I'm just enjoying my beautiful morning. So, and I'm just spending my Eid vacation, and that's why I have got this chance to enjoy myself and to enjoy this beautiful foggy morning. Though this is the time of spring or summer season. Okay, I'm just walking and I'm just trying to show you, this is the big paddy field, right? Where we can grow different kinds of crops, right? In our locality, this is a dhan khet, right? So, but this is a paddy field, right? And this is paddy or rice, you can say. This is rice. Okay. So the scenery is very fantastic, very nice that I'm enjoying. So dear learners, in this way you can practice your spoken English without any partner, right? So try to practice in this way. Don't show your excuse that I have no any partner, so how to practice my spoken English. This is your another hand. This is your another hand, so don't show your another hand, okay? Just try to practice your spoken English. If you don't have any partner, it's okay, no problem. But in this way you can take your phone and you can go quiet place and then try to speak yourself. Whatever you can say, just try to speak in English, okay? Don't worry. This is the time of learning. That's why you have to practice without any hesitation. So mistakes, it's okay. Without mistake, we cannot learn any kinds of things. That's why we have to make a lot of mistakes if you want to improve our myself. So that's why you have to make mistakes actually if you want to improve your spoken English, dear learners. So this is the way, as you can see. So okay, in this way you can practice your spoken English, and mention me in the comment section below that how to practice your spoken English without any partner. Just share your idea with me, and I'm just trying to share with you how to practice your spoken English without any partners. I will make this as kind of video in different ways how to practice your spoken English. So dear learners, so এই ছিল আজকের ভিডিও। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। Until then, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।